Hey y'all. Sorry, it has been a while since I have created any hair content, so I wanted to come back. This is a quick little intro. I did a YouTube video I recorded of me using this awesome product. I'm gonna put the name in the description box, but I used it to lighten my color, so that is just gonna be the process of that. This is a whole different hairstyle. I'm just gonna have me taking down my braids if y'all want to see that, but I only used the conditioner once, and I'm gonna be doing an update on it because I'm gonna be using it again. I want to use it before, like when I wash my hair for this retie. So I'll come back and give you guys an update on that once it is all set, but wanted to give you a little bit of a heads up about that and just let you know how I lightened my color on the ends a little bit with no added dyes or rinse or anything, just from the conditioner. So I hope you enjoy the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.